Welcome back to our channel, and I'm bringing you another morning brew. So hopefully your day is off to a good start. I was just sitting here in my car outside of Brownby, and I was thinking about something that I thought could really help people and something that really will help you and your business grow, because that's what we all want to do. We want to grow our following on social media. We want to grow a cult-like following among our clients for referrals. We just want to grow, right? So I have some ideas. I think one of the biggest ways to grow your business in general is to do a giveaway. A lot of times you can do it in a way that doesn't really cost you much, if anything, other than your time. And it can really make a huge difference on your business. Clients love them because they love to get rewards, right? And they want to help you, and it's nice to kind of give back to them. They really, really appreciate that. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to do a giveaway and kind of my tips and tricks on how you can use them to massively grow your business. So a couple things, you want to make sure that your giveaway is extremely clear. So whatever the rules are, you're going to take some time to make sure everybody understands, because it never fails with a giveaway. Someone somewhere doesn't understand, or they kind of misunderstood the rules, and they won't participate if the rules are so muddy that they don't kind of know what they're supposed to do. So first things first, you got to pick what you're going to give away and kind of what the basis is for your giveaway. So I recommend you choose something that doesn't cost you a lot. So for example, if you're a trainer, giving away a full course could be really costly and expensive for what you provide. So let's say that you are a permanent makeup artist. You could give away one free session. Maybe they have to pay for the touch-up, maybe you include the touch-up, but truly, what does that cost you? Just your cost to do the supplies. But what you may gain as a result is tremendous. So that's one easy one. You could also give away, if you do other services that are more small, less time, lower cost. You could do a giveaway basket. So if you have something like that you feel like you could put together that would be valuable, you just have to make sure it's something that people are interested in. So make sure if you have a service that people are constantly asking about. I do it a lot if I have a new service to roll out or a new artist. So pick something that you know people actually are interested in, or they're not going to participate. And then ask them to do something as part of the giveaway. That's the whole point. You're giving something to them. You need to ask them to do something in return. And you're going to want to make sure what you ask of them is something that's going to grow your business, because that's the whole point. So whether it's asking them to follow your account because your goal is to grow more followers on social media, and you want those social media followers to be engaged, right? We don't just want to be popular. We actually want people to purchase things from us. So aside from asking them to follow you, if you have a YouTube channel, you can ask them to subscribe. You could have them go through, like maybe your channel or your profile is suffering from engagement. You could have people go in and comment and interact, maybe like 10 of your last photos. So imagine if you had maybe comments on 10 of your last pictures or posts, that would really help you in your algorithms and helping those people see your posts, which is important to business growth. So those are kind of some examples. Asking for people to leave reviews or referrals. Those are all good reasons to do giveaways. So I have some notes here on some things that you could do to use as part of your growth plan. So the most common, I think, giveaway that most people do, I've done this a lot, is to ask people to like, comment, and follow. So on Facebook, make sure they like your page. On Instagram, make sure they're following you. And then you're gonna ask them really to like the post or several posts, and to comment something, whether it's to tag 3 friends so that there is more exposure there. Maybe those 3 friends will participate. You're growing your following, you're getting people to engage, all over good time. You could have people share your post. So maybe your plan is to just get in front of more people. So you could have someone share, maybe there's an amazing before and after picture, and the contest is basically to ask people to share it all over Facebook. That would be huge for you, right? You could do a reviews contest. So if you don't have a lot of reviews, we have a whole course like that on our academy about that, how to get reviews and why they are huge for your business. So maybe you're suffering in that area and you have a lot of clients, but they haven't left you reviews. So you could do a contest where you give away something in exchange for great reviews. So that's actually a really good one to do. You could ask them for help. So customers like when you involve them, and it's useful to you because you need that information. You need to do research. So if you wanted to know maybe like a name for a service, maybe you were thinking about what you were going to call your new lip tattoo. Make a contest and maybe you'll pick one of the winners. And if you pick someone who gave you a great name, they win something. Worst case scenario, nothing happens. You didn't pick one of them, but people were interested. They started asking questions and they felt like you cared about what they thought. You could ask them about hours. Maybe you're thinking about changing your hours. I've done this before where I've asked a lot of questions about like where we should move if we have a new location, and we got a lot of engagement there. So you could do a giveaway in that way. So anyone who participates, you maybe offer them something, or they enter a drawing to win something. And referrals are another one. So maybe you do a giveaway, excuse me, for anyone who refers someone in the month of July, you're entered into a drawing for a $50 gift card. People like receiving free services, but they also like receiving money. So don't be afraid to do a giveaway where you just give them like a $50 Visa gift card. It doesn't always have to be a service. The thing with offering services or products you already have is the cost is low to you. So you're just investing really your time. And that's always good, right? Because this is cheap advertising and that's what we're going for. So I hope this is helpful to you. So now you have some ways, some understanding on how a giveaway can really help you and some ways you can use it to grow your business. So if this was helpful or if you have any questions, please like or comment below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go and watch more of these Morning Brew videos where I'm just here to kind of help you grow your business and get better at your technique and just kind of have a community with you. So I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you in our next video.